Don't forget that the alternate angles takes, or you can identify it to yourself by letter Z. What do I mean by letter Z? This is a way to help you. Don't say letter Z in the exam. In the exam, you write this letter Z helps you to find or identify the angles. It is the corners of letter Z. This is called alternate angle. So this angle and this angle are equal. This is the corners of letter Z. So these two angles are equal. This is the corners of letter Z. So these two angles are alternative angles and they are equal in measure. So letter Z is a way for you to identify the angles, to find the angles between all of the angles in the figure. Let us go to the second angles, which are called the corresponding angles. And think with me which letter it will take. What are the corresponding angles? If I have two parallel lines and I have the transversal EF, where is the corresponding angles? Angle 1 and angle 2 are called corresponding, and they are equal in measure. Angle 3 and angle 4 are called corresponding angles, and they are equal in measure. Angle 5 and angle 6 are called corresponding angles, and they are equal in measure. You miss, they are lot of angles. They are just 3 pairs. And to help you, we are going to tell you that they represent, or you can identify them by letter F, the corners of letter F. Look at the following positions. In the first letter F, we are below the parallel line. So this cross and this cross are two corresponding angles, and they are equal in measure. Here, we are above the parallel lines and making letter F. Can you see this letter F? So these corners are called corresponding angles, and they are equal in measure. And the last position, and these corners are called corresponding angles, and they are equal in measure. So letter Z identify the alternative angles, and it helps us to find the alternative angles, and they will be 2 pairs only. Letter F will help us to find the corresponding angles, and they are 3 pairs. How can I find them? Search for letter F in the figure. Look now, move with me on the figure. This is letter F. So angle 7 and angle 8. This is letter F for up. So the corners are letters angle 2 and angle 1. And the same thing in the other side.
تقدر تتابع كل دروسك على تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا، المستقبل يبدأ الآن.